They are people who believe in positivity, and the entire home, throughout the designing process and the execution process, it was just filled with so much positivity. And their motto or nara is always rising.
तो पहले मैंने एक दो लोगों से बातचीत की आर्किटेक्ट से, मुझे कुछ खास सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं हुआ उनकी बातों से। फिर जिस घर में हम रेंट पर रहे थे उन्होंने ही आपका नाम सजेस्ट किया, आपसे बातचीत हुई। आपने कहा कि जब हम किसी काम को करते हैं ना तो हमारा दिमाग ही नहीं दिल भी वहां से जुड़ा होता है।
So it's a beautiful, beautiful feeling for me to be showing this home to you after almost 2 years that I've shown it. Wow. This beautiful home was actually a 3-bedroom apartment here. So what we have done is we have opened up the entire space for you and made it a 2-bedroom on this floor and a 2-bedroom on the floor above by giving a bigger living room and giving 4 bedrooms because they were enough for the family of 6 people.
You're the universe and I was revolving like a sun on my own. I know that you would do anything for me, but I just need to move on. Oh, I was running from a bad thing when I first met you. This is gonna hurt, but it doesn't make it any less true. I never really loved you. I never really did call you my only. I'm only holding on to something in my head because I'm lonely.
So we step out. This was the balcony that we've actually covered, and we've given a beautiful fireplace here. Winters में ये spot बहुत अच्छा वार्म रहता है, दोपहर के टाइम अच्छी धूप पड़ती है और शाम के टाइम जब रिलैक्स करना हो, so there's a nice couch here and a lovely fireplace. तो जब फाइनली आए तो इसमें जो आपने मतलब क्या थॉट क्या था, रिएक्शन क्या था, कैसा फील हुआ जब आए?
अच्छा था एक्चुअली, जैसे सोचा था। अच्छा क्लासी सा इंटीरियर चाहिए था, थोड़ा सा वैसे वुडन थीम पे और वो सारा इंटीरियर होगा वैसे सोच के जो चल रहे थे तो एग्जैक्टली वैसा मिला। लाइट्स का बहुत है पापा को, होते ही 5 बजते ही लाइट्स बहुत होनी चाहिए।
From the ground floor garden, let me take you to the duplex, first floor now, through the staircase of our garden. This place is more like for the kids and for entertainment. So here, what we have is a nice sitting area with a cocktail table, with a bar. We have the highlight wall in the bold rust orange color. This space was actually a closed small room, and having opened this, we had a dilemma that we had this big column here right in the middle of the room. What we did, we made a lovely book rack so that column has actually been camouflaged. जो हमारे क्लाइंट है, he loves the richness of wood, so ये absolutely पूरे teakwood में बने हुए beautiful beds that he has chosen. And हमने क्या किया है, again हमने कोशिश करी है कि हम यहाँ पे हमने ceiling heights manage करी है काफी, because हमारे पास ceiling height बहुत low थी, so you can see a beautiful wooden ceiling over there. And also we have hung the AC on a pelmet so that हमारे जो curtains है उनका location flawless side. So the curtains also come out very well. दोनों masters में एक proper cabinet दिया गया है for the linen of the room, a TV unit with again storage. तो हमने इसको shallow बनाया ताकि walking space ठीक रहे, and a study table has been given in both the rooms. नाना नानी wanted to shower all the love, तो उन्होंने कहा कि भाई हमें बच्चों को bunk bed देना है with a slide, so we have given that. We have given a nice seating right here. इस seating में हमारे पास में even drawers है, अगर kids के toys रखने हैं उसके लिए उनके पास seating option है, एक books की cabinet है, and the theme is nice colorful birds. Birds के हमने इसमें curtains and seagull का हमने fan इसमें किया है. So all in all, the entire room is very lively. यहाँ पे एक हमें प्रॉब्लम थी कि जब हम ये बंक बेड लगा रहे थे तो ऊपर अगर आप देखेंगे वहाँ पे there was a beam. So what we have done is we have done a soft cladding बीम आपका कुशन है तो बच्चों को ताकि चोट ना लगे जब वो यहाँ से चढ़ते हैं। हर सीढ़ी में स्टोरेज। An adult can easily sleep in this bed. And ये soft bedding. Lovely to see the family enjoying here, and this just looks like a duplex to me.